Use affiliate marketing to the fullest with these ideas. You need to have some knowledge of what to look for and expect from an affiliate marketing strategy. You need to know what resources are available to you and where you can get answers to what you need for your business. The tips below can help you with how to start. Avoid using services that hide domain ownership. It is believed that Google checks whether website owners have hidden their domain ownership information with services like domains by proxy and penalizes their sites by either reducing their rankings or increasing the time that the sites sit in the sandbox, the informal name given to the ranking penalty given to new sites until they prove themselves. Keyword tracking software can greatly enhance the effectiveness of affiliate marketing programs. Such software lets webmasters see which pages on their websites are visited by surfers looking for particular keywords. With this information, a website owner can tailor such pages to direct his or her visitors to affiliates that offer the products or services that will interest them most. To make money in affiliate marketing, you should be selective in finding products that offer the highest commissions. While you are taking up space on your page with an ad for a product that pays you 10%, you are giving up that real estate for a product that could pay you 40%. Your affiliate website provides your income, so you have to be sure it works perfectly. You need to use a web hosting company with adequately equipped facilities with a guarantee of 99% uptime. Choose a hosting plan according to the traffic you expect. It is also wise to choose a hosting company who provides the customer service you need. To increase profit, try to be as unique as possible when you are writing the text of your website. The more individualized you are, the better chance that you have to stand out from the pack. This will result in an increase in sales and more credibility for your organization. Make sure you know your audience when you build your affiliate program. Find out what their needs are and what age group they belong to. Build your site to provide a solution to your visitors. The main theme of your site should match the products of your retailer. Don't place unrelated links on your site just because they pay well. As you have seen in the above tips, there is a lot of knowledge you can acquire before choosing an affiliate program that will work for you and before creating your own affiliate marketing strategy. Do everything you must to find out what marketing program and strategy is best for your needs. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.